In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Outlook email to Microsoft Teams. This process is incredibly useful for seamlessly integrating your communications and making sure your entire team stays on the same page. Whether you're using the desktop or web version of Outlook, these steps will help you effectively share emails directly into Microsoft Teams. So let's start by opening Outlook. This can be either the desktop application or the web version, so choose whichever you're more comfortable with. Now, within Outlook, find the email that you want to share with your team. Once you have located that specific email, select it to make it active. This is an important step, as it's this selected email you'll be forwarding to Teams. Next, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your Outlook window. Here, you're looking for the Teams icon, which is specifically labeled as Share to Teams. This icon is your key to integrating Outlook and Teams. However, if you don't immediately see this Teams icon, don't worry, just look for the More Actions option, indicated by three dots. Click on it, and then you'll find the Share to Teams option in the drop-down menu. This is designed to ensure that the function is easily accessible, even if it's not directly visible on your toolbar. Once you've clicked on Share to Teams, you'll need to choose where exactly in Microsoft Teams you'd like to send your email. You have several options here. You can choose an individual person, a group, or even a specific channel within Teams. It really depends on who you intend to share this information with, so make sure you select the most appropriate recipient or channel to keep your communications organized and effective. After deciding where to send the email, you have the option to add a message. This is your chance to provide context or instructions along with the email. Simply type your message in the provided field if there's additional information you'd like to convey. Once everything is set up to your satisfaction, click on the Share button, and there you have it. Your email, along with any attachments, will now appear in the Teams chat or channel you selected. This ensures that everyone involved can view the email and its contents directly within Teams, simplifying communication and boosting productivity by keeping all essential information in one place. This integration is particularly valuable for teams looking to streamline processes and enhance collaborative efforts across platforms. With these easy steps, adding an Outlook email to Microsoft Teams becomes a simple and efficient process, enhancing your team's workflow and ensuring effective communication. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials that will help you leverage technology for better productivity.